Well, let me provide you with a little bit of scientific proof here. But first, I want to explain the concept. Habit hacking is 3 core parts, and part number 1 is remove all your self-sabotaging habits. That's part number 1. You remove those self-sabotaging habits, like it could be binge eating junk food, social media scrolling, Netflix marathons, or any sort of addictions that you just don't want in your life. Now, step 2, you discover the master habit of the result you want to create and the supporting habits. And then step 3, through a process called neurological linking, you connect these habits to the existing superhighways in your mind and body to dramatically accelerate the result. And for those of you, I know you're out there, you want scientific proof, so let me grab the slide for you. Here we go. So inside your mind and body, there is a series of networks made up of cells known as neurons, right? Now, these neural networks, some of them are more insulated than others. And this insulation causes the energy, the information to travel down these networks faster. And this insulation was first discovered in 1543 by a Renaissance physician called Andreas Vesalius, who wrote in his book, De Humani Corporis, about the difference between grey and white matter. Now, the reason why this matters to you is because where the arrow is pointing here is called a myelin sheath. Now, if we were to cut it straight through with the red line and then look at it from this angle, you can see that in this first example here, there's no myelin in that thing. Now, there's no insulation. In the second example, there's a little tube of it. And then in the last example, it's densely packed full of insulation. Now, the reason I'm showing you this is because this information that travels down this one, the first one is 100 times slower than the information traveling down the last one, the densely insulated neuron. So once you know the master habit and the supporting habits, your job through neurological linking is to link those habits into the neurons in your mind that are heavily insulated. And when done correctly, you can achieve things up to 5 times faster with 5 times more fulfillment. Type the number 5 if you'd like to achieve things 5 times faster with 5 times more fulfillment. Who'd like that? Who wants that? Thank you, Martin, Jacinta.